Ever wonder how to make a quick, simple, yet utterly delicious dinner? Picture this: a single sheet pan, an oven, and a handful of fresh ingredients. Today we're exploring a culinary delight that's sure to tickle your taste buds. Lemon garlic, Parmesan chicken with vegetables. Imagine juicy chicken pieces, vibrant mixed vegetables like broccoli and bell peppers, all brought to life with the zest of lemon, the aroma of garlic, and the savory punch of Parmesan. All of this seasoned with a sprinkle of salt, a dash of pepper, and the rustic charm of Italian herbs. Now let's break it down step by step. Start by preheating your oven. While it's heating up, grab a sheet pan. Then take your chicken pieces and arrange them on the pan. Now scatter your chosen vegetables around the chicken. Next comes the flavor enhancement. Mince some fresh garlic and sprinkle it over the chicken and vegetables. Squeeze the juice from a ripe lemon, drizzling it evenly across the pan. The lemon's tangy freshness will infuse into the chicken and vegetables as they cook, creating a flavor that's both vibrant and comforting. Now take your freshly grated Parmesan and scatter it generously over everything. This will melt in the oven and create an irresistible golden crust. Finally, season the pan with salt, pepper, and Italian herbs. This trio of seasonings will add depth to your dish and make every bite burst with flavor. Slide the pan into your preheated oven and let the magic happen. Bake until the chicken is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. The aromas wafting from your oven will have your mouth watering in anticipation. And there you have it, a delicious, nutritious meal all on one pan. This lemon garlic Parmesan chicken with vegetables is not only a feast for the stomach, but also for the eyes. This recipe is a powerhouse of flavors, but it's also a nutritional goldmine. Chicken provides lean protein, vegetables offer a range of vitamins and fiber, and Parmesan adds a dose of calcium. Plus, cooking everything together on one pan means the flavors mingle and enhance each other, making every bite a symphony of taste. So next time you're searching for a dinner recipe that's quick, easy, and packed with flavor, remember this sheet pan lemon garlic Parmesan chicken and vegetables. It's a testament to the fact that sometimes the simplest recipes are the most delicious.